জয় বৃষভানু নন্দিনী রাধে রাধে, বৃষভানু নন্দিনী রাধে রাধে।
Jai Jai Shri Radhe everyone. This is the 29th verse of Shri Shri Prem Bhakti Chandrika by Srila Narottam Das Thakur Mahasaya. Translation based on the commentaries by Srila Vishwanath Chakraborty Pado and Sri Ananta Das Babaji Maharaj. Srinathe Januki Nathe Chabhedo Paramatmani Tathapi Mama Sarvasang Ramo Kamalalochana. Translation. Sri Hanuman says, although there is no difference between Srinath and Janakinath, since they are both the Supreme Self, still the lotus-eyed Ram is everything to me. Jai Jai Shri Radhe.
জয় রাধে